Opening a NatWest Bank account is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a NatWest Bank account. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for open a bank account NatWest. So if I search for that, I will, see all of these pages. So I'm just click on that, which is open a basic everyday current account. So I'm just gonna click on that and it will take me to their home page. Now here you just have to, click on this ready to apply, and as you guys can see, get ready to apply. You just have to read all of these things carefully. These are the terms and condition. After reading all of these terms and conditions, you just have to click on this continue. And as you guys can see, they have already started asking you the questions. So I'm just gonna do this randomly in order to show you. So I'm just gonna do this randomly and start the application. And now, as you guys can see, the application for account creation has been started from my side. Now they want me to, fill out all the information that is necessary for a bank account holder. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can, open a bank account in NatWest. Hope you guys find this video helpful.